How Warren Buffett actually thinks about investing. Most people think Warren Buffett wins because he predicts the stock market. But that's not true. Buffett doesn't predict markets, he ignores them. And that simple idea explains almost everything about his success. In this video, I'll explain how Warren Buffett actually thinks about investing, in a way beginners can understand. Buffett doesn't see investing as gambling. He sees it as buying a piece of a real business. When you buy a stock, you're not buying a number on a screen. You're buying part of a company that sells products, earns profits, and operates in the real world. This mindset alone separates investors from speculators. One of Buffett's most important ideas is the Circle of Competence. It means this: you don't need to understand everything, you just need to understand some things very well. Buffett avoids businesses he doesn't understand, even if they are popular or exciting. He stays inside his circle, and that protects him from costly mistakes. Buffett constantly reminds investors: price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Markets are emotional. Prices move because of fear and excitement, not because businesses suddenly changed. Buffett waits patiently for good businesses to sell at reasonable prices. He would rather wait than overpay. Buffett says investing success doesn't require genius. It requires temperament. That means staying calm when others panic, being patient when others rush, and doing nothing when there's nothing smart to do. Many people lose money because of emotions, not lack of knowledge. Buffett's favorite holding period is forever. He looks for businesses he can hold for many years, allowing compounding to do the heavy lifting. Short-term noise doesn't matter to him. Time does. This long-term mindset turns small advantages into extraordinary results. Warren Buffett's success isn't magic. It's discipline, patience, and common sense repeated for decades. If you want to learn calm, long-term investing the right way, explore our free course linked below. This is timeless investing.